female barn owl Gylfie has been calling ever since her partner Dryer passed away. 3 weeks on, she's still calling for him in the hope that he might return. But her relentless calls have attracted an unknown male barn owl. He enters to inspect the nest. But Gylfie's out feeding. When Gylfie returns, she's caught off guard and doesn't take well to this potential suitor. They lock talons in a lengthy battle. And Gylfie drives him away. But not for long, he's soon back. But once again, Gylfie rushes to see him off. It's clear this male isn't going to give up easily. He's back before Gylfie's returned. But she's hot on his tail. And this time, she makes sure he's gone before guarding the nest. Gylfie has 2 owlets in nearby elm stump. They've already fledged, but she's still taking care of them, feeding them at night. But she will often have a second brood in different nests. And for that, she will need a new mate. But this male is going to have to work even harder to win her over.